Welcome everyone. Today we're in Lake Elsinore in Old Town and we're gonna go check it out, see what's going on down here. This building behind us is the cultural building. It's a historical building too. It's one of the originals. Let me flip the camera. It's one of the original buildings. I don't remember what date, but it's very old. Anyway, let's go check it out. Stadium Pizza. Cool sign. That's a great sign. That's true. Got lots of seating around on the areas that you can just stop and relax for a minute. There's a vintage store down here off the main run of Old Town that we go into. It's really cool. We'll see if they're open. It's right there in front of you on the right. Vintage home and garden decor. Let's go see if they're open. Let's see if they're open. No, I don't think so. They're not open. Historic Main Street. Was something in its day though. Look at all the tile.
It resembles a theater.
It does resemble a theater.
Apparently
Guess we're here at the wrong time.
Lunchtime.
Guess all these guys close at lunch. So if you're coming down here, keep that in mind.
Unless you're eating.
The restaurants are open, but all the businesses are closed. Lots of restaurant choices.
Guadalajara.
So this antique store across the street here we've been into before too. If you look at our playlist under California sites, we were here 3 years ago. And that antique store is one of the ones we went into. And funny as it seems, if you type in YouTube, Lake Elsinore, Old Town, our videos will show up at the top.
Literally closed.
And they are closed as well. Business hours. Well, it's 11:50 and they're closed. So, I don't know what's going on down here, but a lot of businesses are just closed.
There's stuff in there, but they're closed.
But they're not open.
These are all insurance.
Okay, these are all insurance places, so we don't need to go there. So the city clock in Old Town is right over there, if you can see it. And there, one of our other videos, you'll see the sunflower and all the tile work that's over there. I'm not going to go over there right now. And what's this?
That's City Hall, right?
So maybe this whole building is City Hall. And they've obviously got some construction going on over there. So it looks like they're adding the balcony maybe. That's what Robert thinks. They're putting the balcony in there. And some seismic reinforcement maybe. I don't know. Be interesting to see it when it's all done. There's a bunch of wood up there too that they put in underneath the eaves. Interesting. Not sure what the crane over here is doing. It's lifting something up. It's lifting a guy up to the windows. This is Tom and Jerry's. We've been in here before too, but they're closed. Says that they'll return at 11.
It's 11:50.
It's 11:53, so I guess they didn't return. But cute little train on the table over there.
This guy closed. He moved all his stuff to his property.
Yeah.
Opened it at his property. He said, not that it was ever open when we were here.
So here's a store that's open if you need your fingernails done. Beauty supply place. Well, if nothing else, you guys got to see what Old Town looks like. You got to go on a nice little walk with us. Community Coffee House, corner Peck Street in Maine. Okay, I think we're going to walk over to Guadalajara. If we can figure out where they are again. So we're going to go to Guadalajara, which is a Mexican restaurant, and pick up some food to take home for lunch. So I ended up with cheese enchiladas, rice and beans, and Robert has got
The macho burrito, they called it, which is kind of full of a whole bunch of goodness.
it's huge.
It's massive. And then I got a side of rice. This is only part of it. It was a giant side of rice they gave me.
Okay, so just a little update. We figured out that the stores in this town are open Thursday through Sunday. So that's why nothing's open, because it's Tuesday. I hope you guys enjoyed the walk around Old Town Lake Elsinore. And we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.